What is perfect balance? One of the problems you find in the world is perfectionism, and perfectionism is a little bit like you go into extreme of one thing and then all the other parts are not in order, and that is a perfect recipe for catastrophe. Perfect balance is necessary in order to maintain continuity, in order to have a sustainable life. I don't think most people are balanced at all, and some people are very unbalanced, but when you give importance to balance, even to the moments of the day, quiet moments, busy moments, solitary moments, and moments full of social interaction, and in a 24-hour period, if you have a good variety of these things, your food, you need a balanced diet, you need variety. You need a little of this, a little of that, and so to be only fixed on one thing is not a good sign. So this is really what we are working with: perfect balance. Then everything is nicely balanced. Perfect balance is not rigid, it is very, movable, fluid, very nice, then you are happy. This is Nerd Speak. I am happy to help.